So now let's see how we can work with individual and multiple clips inside of Camtasia. So over here you can see that I got the timeline, and let's say what I want to do is I want to cut this particular layer out. So in order to do that, I can simply split it out right here. I can go around and press the S key as well, and you can see that this clip has been split out. So that's working with one layer. But what if you want to work with multiple layers all at once? In order to do that, simply click and drag it out until all of the layers that you want to edit with is selected. So you can go around on the left side just like this and press S to split out, and what happens is that all of the 3 layers that is selected is cut out. You can simply go around here again, select all of the layers that you want to split out, press S, and you can see that all of the layers right here is split out in the same way. Similarly, what you can do is if you want to trim out individual layers, you can click and drag it, and that is trimmed out just like that. If you were to select all of them, then if you were to click and drag, what happens is that all of the layers just like this, that is all of the tracks are layered out just like that. And that is how you can trim and split individual and multiple tracks all together just like that. If you were to enable the magnetic track just like that for all of the layers just like this, what happens is that as you trim out, you can see that it actually goes out onto the left side just like that. You can also disable it for some, and what happens is that while one layer works out along with the magnetic option, for the other ones it is the different option just like that. So that is how you can work around with trimming and splitting individual and multiple clips inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.